Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's look at a tool that we use to help us with our trading, and this is our MQ Powerlines tool. It helps us find areas of significant support and resistance. And you can see this was crude this morning, and was actually kind of in a downtrend, and then it made a reversal. We actually broke the previous pivot high, so at that point we had broken the downtrend. We did not have an established uptrend until we put in a higher low. We put in the higher low, we had our significant resistance line up here. We broke above the resistance, and that was good for a nice move up in crude. The entry is a tick or two above the resistance line, which in this case was 65.39, and you can see that crude ran to a high of 65.77. Now, nobody's probably catching highs and lows, but definitely an opportunity to grab three or $400 per contract on our power line break, and we confirm those with our 30-minute chart. You can see on our 30-minute chart, when we broke that power line, we were also triggering this reversal doji right here back to the upside, and that was a really strong bullish bar. This bar opened at the bottom, closed way up here at the top, and when we were breaking the top of this continuation doji, we were triggering our resistance break on the power line, and we caught a nice push up in crude off of that. Here's one we had in the ES this afternoon, or actually right at the end of the morning. You can see the ES had been just kind of chopping its way down, and then we reversed direction. We started putting in higher highs and higher lows, consolidated a little bit, made a nice push higher, set up a nice well-defined resistance, broke out, and the ES made a nice push to the upside. And at the time that that was happening, on our 30-minute chart in the ES, we were triggering this bar right here. The ES had been chopping its way down, made a pretty decent move to the downside, and then this really bullish bar right here. This bar opened right there at the bottom and closed right up here at the top. The bar that actually triggered our trade was this one. We had a nice bottoming tail, and again a really strong bullish bar breaking above the 50 EMA, which we know is strong, significant support and resistance. Triggered in our power line, and nice move up in the ES. So easy tool, pretty simple. It marks our well-defined support areas. You can see we have a power line down here, marks our well-defined resistance areas. We can confirm with our higher time frame charts, and we know where to take our breakouts.